Our friends, Lavic, Volcano Field, camp out.
Jasper is a metamorphic rock that often forms in igneous settings and is a type of chalcedony. It forms over millions of years through a process called solidification. Jasper forms depending on the environment and minerals present during its creation. This is why we have such an abundant variety with unique colors and patterns. The vibrant red is due to the high iron oxide content.
Everybody wants me to look at their rocks. When I'm trying to find my own, there's a Chalcedony with Druzy. These are ones I found right here. This one's got some wood grain. It's kind of weird. Yeah, that's nice. It's basically just all over out here for miles.
It's some super volcano threw up.
Yeah. The largest super volcano west of the Mississippi ejected all this. It's called igneous extrusive, rapidly ejected volcanic material that solidifies into these jaspers, agates, and chalcedony. It's a brachiated jasper. There's lots of these red and yellows, kind of in a fire-like pattern. The sound of my addiction. It's continually exposing more and more. It's the same thing with the basalt in the Black Rock Desert. It's only gonna, yeah.
Nothing big and.
Well, I prefer capsized stone.
For me, I have this thing with money. I don't like to spend it.
Yeah, you have to go on some.
These are all brachiated. Red Jasper, Lavic Lake Volcano Field, red Druzy.